I know Scotty don't like the beauty covers or the engine covers. I kind of like mine and I want to keep it in place. It does tend to keep it a little bit quieter, and it looks to be a pretty well made piece of plastic and foam rubber ends, and it definitely has some insulation qualities. So let's check this out on the 2020 Kia Sorento. But if you want to keep them, wipe them down, show them a little love. On the underside, I'm going to show you what you really should be doing at least once a year if you do intend on running your beauty cover, your engine cover, for the long term. When we buy a vehicle, we keep it a long time. On this one, we have the 4 tabs. Most of them are very simple. You see how it's marked, Hyundai, Kia, cover assembly engine. But what we're going to do, the most important thing to do here, you can see this has some pretty nice foam insulation, kind of poured and bonded in it. But the number one thing we want to do on maintenance is going to be just shoot a little bit of silicone right in here. Now check this out. Like that. And that's all we're going to do. Snap it back on. Real piece of cake to put off and on. We're going to line that up. They'll just sit right on top of the little tabs. And we give it a push. It's in. Just that easy. And will not go anywhere. I'm going to stick with my beauty cover, and it does remove easy and it goes on easy, so what's the big deal? Hey, I appreciate y'all watching.